Check out this cordless crimper kit from Bayer. With this crimper, you can crimp from 16mm square all the way up to 400mm square cable with the dies that are included in the combo kit. Those dies slip in and out in seconds thanks to those quick release buttons, and the head's got enough rotation in it to fit into a tight, cramped space to crimp. It's not as simple as squeezing that trigger until the crimp is complete. It only takes a few seconds. Now it's got a double piston pump which generates 120 kilonewtons or 12 tons of force up the business end. And if it detects a drop in pressure or the batteries are getting low, it lets you know with both an alarm and a light so you don't create a bad connection. Very simple controls, you just squeeze that trigger to engage the pump. When you release the trigger, it stops pumping straight away. It'll return to the open position automatically after it's completed a crimping cycle, but if you do need to reset it or reopen it, there's a manual release button above the trigger as well. Down the base of the handle above the battery, you've got a little screen there that lets you know the tool temperature. It's also got a bunch of other useful information like the number of crimps you've completed to help you get the most out of your tool. And speaking of batteries, it comes with two 4 Ah 18V batteries and a charger. Those batteries look just like an LXT Makita battery if you have those already. It comes with a shoulder strap which attaches to the tool, just take some of that weight off your arms when you're using it all day. And the whole kit is set in EVA foam in a hard case for storage and transport between jobs. And right now, at the time of posting this video, it's on sale as well over at sydneytools.com.au. If you want the full specs, we can head into your local Sydney Tools store and talk to the team. You can also hit me up with any questions down in that comment section below. Until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.